Hello, wonderful people who probably aren't watching. I'm Malia, and welcome to World I Exist. I'd like to show you what happens after 4th of July with my brother and my neighbors.
Come here. Hello.
Hey. There's a big pile of garbage. There is a bigger pile of garbage. Last night it was so much more dramatic because this was all over the streets. And honestly, this isn't even all of it. There's still a lot more. Crazy night last night. Which is why I'm late to school now. But just wanted to show you what kind of craziness the people I live with get into. And I am going to be late to school, so I've got to go. Bye.